Surfing, GoPro videos versus surf photography. Surfing session 326. I've been surfing for 4 years. In this video, GoPro footage versus surfing photographs, my friend Albert used a camera with a zoom lens and took a set of photos of me on 2 waves. I wanted to juxtapose the GoPro footage that I took against his surfing photographs. I'm going to show you one left and one right wave. First, here's the left that I took. I was able to ride this wave to the left and it was so clean. As it closed out, I carved my board against the white water to end the ride, and then I gave Albert the 2 thumbs up. The GoPro is great because it's waterproof, easy to use, attaches to my surfboard, and it captures great photos of my waves with this wide-angle lens. This is great for me to analyze my body mechanics, my position on the wave, and try to identify where I can improve. Albert took several photos of the same wave and they are just great. The sun was rising behind me in the horizon, so there's great lighting effect on the photos. Albert surfs too, so he knows how to capture great photos of the surfers on waves while they're clean or just breaking. The photos are great because they show me popping up on the wave, going up and down on the line, down the line, and then doing the turn on the white water, and then giving Albert the 2 thumbs up. Thank you, Albert. His Instagram is Albert Zulps. Check him out. On the second wave, I dropped in late as the wave was already breaking. The white water was crashing on me, but I managed to cut a rail in the water and do a bottom turn and pump up and rise to the lip of the wave. I felt so high on the wave, but I was off balance and I stalled. From what I can see, I leaned in the wrong direction at the top of the lip and should have been leaning down to cut my heel side rail into the water and start riding down the lip. It was still a fun drop in and I was ecstatic. Now look at the pictures that Albert took. I love them. I love how the photos show the size of the wave better than the GoPro. These waves look like they were head high or slightly higher than that. With my GoPro, the waves look small because of the angle and the wide angle lens. The forecast said 3 to 4 feet plus, but the set waves were 5 feet taller or even more. So some of the waves were overhead for me. Both the GoPro and the camera footage help me see how I'm riding the wave, my body mechanics, my position on the wave, whether I'm catching the wave or wiping out. I learn a lot from these and each has their pros and cons. I usually use my GoPro because it's easier for me to use by myself and I can review the videos at home. However, the surfing photos give me similar information, but I learn a lot because of the different perspective and a different angle. Thank you again, Albert. I had a great session. I caught several great waves, including both rights and lefts, and I had some epic wipeouts too, so I'm sharing them here for your entertainment. We had a fairly flat summer, so I was skateboarding a lot more instead of surfing. Today I was trying to channel a few things that I learned while skateboarding into my surfing today. I've been pumping and carving in the skate park bowl a lot, and it's helped me. First, lean forwards when you're dropping in at the skate park and on a wave. This will help you accelerate down the wave and give you speed for your bottom turn. It feels like a runner stance leaning forwards as you start the race. If you lean backwards too much, the board will slow down and it may slide under you and you'll fall back. Second, I was trying to channel my kick turns when I was doing a bottom turn and a top turn. This essentially leans my weight towards the back tail when I'm turning for both bottom turns and top turns. This will keep my nose up in the air and prevent it from digging in the water. And my tail and fin will be digging into the water to help me carve that rail for my turn. Third, lean into the bowl. If you're doing a top turn on the lip or hitting the coping in the bowl of a skate park, you want to lean backwards into the slope of the wave again. This will keep your body perpendicular and balanced to the water's surface. It also allows you to position your weight to fall back down the wave and accelerate again for the second or third bottom turn. Also, it forces a natural switch into the rail that is carving into the water. So you're switching from one rail to another as you switch from a bottom turn to a top turn. I'm at surfing session 326 in my surfing progression. It's been over 4 years and I'm still learning and enjoying it, and I'm continuing to work on improving. If you have any friendly tips, please share them with me. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other surfing videos of my surfing progression on my YouTube channel. Check them out on my surfing playlist.